This is really happened about in Venezuela, about Nicolas Maduro. Nicolas Maduro was captured by Donald Trump. I heard the news in Venezuela. Because I know Venezuela and Colombia are very near border. Alvaro Bello said that was the husband of Bey Timbal. As I imagine, the U.S. invaded Venezuela is just like in Iraq War and Vietnam War. Let us remind about the U.S. imperialism. Oh, why I never buy a U.S. military model toy soldiers in Japan? Ah, when I was there in Fukuoka, when I was there in Big Camera, I don't like Israel. I don't like the United States. I don't like the Spanish military vehicles. I don't like US military vehicles. I don't like Israeli military tanks. I don't like. The only I choose there is Japan Self-Defense Forces. Oh, they are military. Oh, of Japan. Oh, if I've been there in Japan, I choose it. But remember, ah, U.S. is responsible of bombing of Hiroshima in Nagasaki. Nagasaki is far from Houston Bush. That was the time of the World War II, 1945, sorry, 1945. And America had bombed Iraq, they bombed Korea, they bombed also Iran. That was a long time ago. And even the time when I heard the news that Nicolas Maduro was arrested by U.S. Delta Force, they captured. This is a similar of Manuel Noriega and Saddam Hussein that I mentioned from Carl Bilus. Because I know the U.S. responsibility. You know, Carl Bilus, let me ask you something. I'm not criticize you. The United States of America is responsible of warmongering. They're a troublemaker. You see what happened there in South China Sea, the West Philippine Sea. China provoked Filipinos because of the U.S. puppet Bongbong Marcos. Remember that U.S. is the enemy of the world. You know, U.S. is the enemy of Russia, Iran, China, and North Korea, especially Cuba. Let us not be happen in Venezuela because of the CIA. I hope if Sara Duterte was a president of the Philippines, CIA will not assassinate Sara, even Rodante Marcoleta. Because they're paid by a CIA. They paid by a Marcos loyalist who were against Duterte, who were against Maduro. Those idiot Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, they are supporting by Venezuelan opposition. Remember that. And here's the lesson to you, Mami Ellen Olea and Danmar Dayaw. There will be no more U.S. imperialist Marcoses in the Philippines. There will be no more Marcos. There will be no more Guaido in Venezuela. I show solidarity with Venezuela and I support Maduro. And I support for Duterte. Marcos never again, Guaido never again.